Cypelux is a program designed for carrying out the lighting calculation of normal and emergency lighting systems, as well as the illumination produced by the effect of natural light. To get started, we can import the model of a project hosted on the BIMserver.center platform and become part of the collaborative workflow provided by OpenBIM technology. This way, the program automatically generates the floor plans and imports the geometry of the building's spaces, as well as the glazed openings and, if available, the data relating to the geographic location. Then, in the General Parameters of the Installation tab, we define the general project requirements and the specific requirements of each zone. We can do this by importing the available configurations from different standards, or by creating and editing the requirements in a customized way. Similarly, through a series of libraries, we define the types of zones and the checks to be carried out in each of them, as well as the parameters of glazed openings. We can also define the lighting types by downloading the manufacturer's catalogues from the OpenBIM database, entering the data in a customized way, or importing files in EIS or LDT formats. The work interface is completely three-dimensional, offering the possibility to create 2D and 3D views and to use the drawings that we define. If necessary, we can enter new zones by drawing them in the model or use the zones imported from the BIM model. The program can also be used to enter design areas to simulate work surfaces, furniture, or areas that require special lighting. We use the escape routes and equipment protection options if we want to design the emergency lighting on these elements. We can enter indoor, outdoor, and emergency lights one by one or by using the available automatic distribution tools, which follow different patterns. We can also describe the parameters related to the daylight calculation. The program is used to calculate the daylight factor and can verify the requirements defined in Option 2 of Credit 8.1 of the Indoor Environmental Quality section of the LEED 4.0 certification. Cypelux carries out lighting analyses using the Integrated Radiance Analysis Engine developed by the Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory. It can also be used to render scenes in order to represent the effect of lighting produced by artificial lighting or natural light in a realistic image. During the analysis, the program carries out the simulation and checks the different elements according to the standards or the customized configuration used. The results of the analysis can be checked by hovering the cursor over the elements themselves and in the reports generated by the program for each one of them. The calculated values are also represented on the screen by contour lines, contour plots, or numeric values, showing the normal or emergency lighting, either on the work plane or at ground level, as well as the glare levels, the daylight factor, or the average lighting level, measured at the level of the work plane, produced by the daylight effect on the days selected for LEED certification. The program automatically generates several analysis reports, including the calculation annex, where the characteristics of each zone, the installation, and the calculated values, the project verification report, the document justifying the credit mentioned in the LEED certification for the whole job, and the material and construction specifications are detailed. It also generates the bill of quantities of the lighting system elements in the Bill of Quantities tab. Finally, in the Sheets tab, the drawings of the job are defined and managed and may include the layout of the lighting and the other elements entered in the model. These documents can be printed directly or exported in different formats. Authorized project participants can share and view the information generated with the program via the BIMserver.center platform, allowing them to access all the information from any device at any time.